Introducing the 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan RL75 2.0TDI DSG with 150 horsepower in sleek grey. This luxurious estate/Jeep has only 6,700 kilometres on the clock, boasting a 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission. Packed with comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, collision alert and satellite navigation, this vehicle ensures a smooth and secure ride. Additionally, the Tiguan comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us or visit our website at mullingerautos.ie for more information on how you can drive away in this top-of-the-line vehicle today.